Hi, in front of me is Lenovo K6 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. First of all, go into device settings. Then you need to select Bluetooth over here and click on the switcher to activate it. Now wait for available devices to show up and tap on the one that you wish to connect to. After that, you need to select pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, just click on this gear icon next to the device and choose forget. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!